Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to use grep command in Linux Unix environment. The grep command is mainly used to search for a specific pattern of text in a file. Grep command is very helpful in searching large log files or text files for a specific text or error message inside the file. The output will only the matching lines. The general syntax is grep text string to search and the file name. Quotes are not mandatory, but it is best to quote the string to prevent misinterpretation. Here are the common options that we can use with grep command. I is to ignore the case, C is to display only the count of the match lines, L is to list file name only if at least one match occurs, N is to display the line number, V option is used where search must not match the specific string, R is to do a recursive search, and E is an extended version of grep command which is used for the regular expressions. We will discuss all these options in this lesson. For example, if we have a large log file, in this case is my file log, where we want to search all the error entries. So we can use the command error and then file name. It will search all the error entries in that log file. Now, if we want to ignore the case, then we can use the I parameter here. So what it will do, it will search all the entries regardless of the case. Now, to report the number of times that the pattern has been matched, we can use the C parameter. This will return the total error entries in that log file. So in this case, we have 205 error entries in that log file. We can achieve the same result by using the WCL option. If we remove this C option and add a pipe symbol and then WCL, it will return us the same result. Now let's see how we use the L option. L option is to list the file name only where at least one match occurs. So for example, list us all the log files where we have error entries. So this command will return only the log file name where error entries are found. Now to display the line number where a match string is found, we can use the N parameter. Let's use the previous example. Now in this case, we can see all the error entries are displayed with the file name and the line number inside that file. Other simple examples of the same commands are using one of the imply CSV file. So let's first see the contents of imply CSV file. Now we will run through various examples of grep command using this imply CSV flat file. So let's search all the manager entries in this imply CSV file. Let's use I to ignore the case. Same result. Now let's use the C option. It will give us the count of manager entries in that file. Let's get the same result using the WC option. Same result. Now let's show the line numbers inside that file where manager entries are found. Now we can see the line numbers are also displayed. Now let's list the files where manager entries are found in the CSV files. Now in this case, it shows us the implied CSV file contains the manager entry. Now let's see how we can use the V option. To define a criteria where the search must not match the specific string, so to filter out the specific string, so for example, if we want to filter out the manager entries and display the entire file except the records which match the search criteria as manager, we can use the command grep v I manager. So this command should return us the result set which should not include manager entries. Now we can see the difference here. It doesn't have the records where manager entries are found. Let's extend this example to an alternate string. Let's add analyst in this example. Now we can see we have manager in this result set, but analyst in string got filtered out in this result set. Now let's see how do we do the recursive search. To do a recursive search, we can use the R option. For example, to search all the files where a match of analyst string is found, we can use the command using R option. So in this case, we can see it found two files where the match is found, one in the current directory and another in a subdirectory. Now we will discuss about the egrep. We can use the egrep command, same as grep, for the pattern searching, but it offers extended capabilities. For example, it allows you to search for multiple patterns in a single command, where you can merge two different search criteria using one egrep command. When using egrep, you can add multiple patterns using the pipe symbol. The pipe symbol is used as an OR operator. For example, to search two patterns like manager and analyst, we can use the command like this. Add a pipe symbol, which indicates an OR operator here. Now in this case, we can see we can pass on two different search strings in the same command using the egrep. Note that egrep is essentially the same as running grep with the E option. E parameter switches the grep command into a special mode so that the expression is evaluated as an extended regular expression, as opposed to its normal pattern matching. For example, we can use the previous command using regular grep while adding the E parameter to achieve the same result. Let's use previous command, removing the E. Now we are using grep command using the E option, which should return us the same result as previous command. So we can see it's same result as previous command. Now same as previous grep command, while using egrep, we can also add other parameters, like for example, to show the line number of each pattern found in the file, we can use N option with the egrep command. Let's use the previous example here. Here we can see it shows the line number of each record in the file. Same as previously discussed, we can use the C parameter to count the entries. So in this case, it returned us 5 records which are matching both manager and analyst string. Let's do the same example in a different way using WCL option, same result. Now let's discuss like how you can display only the column that you're looking for. So for example, in this case, it's column number 3 that you want to display. So let's add a cut command in the egrep command like this. D is to define the delimiter, which is comma in this case. F is for field number, which is 3 in this case. Now we can see it shows us only the column number 3, which is the title of employee in this case. Grep command often used with pipes. So you can use other commands and then add grep using the pipe symbols. Now let's discuss how we can use grep command with other commands using the redirection. So grep command often used with pipes. So you can use other commands and then add grep using the pipe symbol. For example, using the cat command to display the contents of a file and then redirect the output to grep using the pipe symbol to get only the required information, you can use the command like this. Let's repeat this command and then you add the grep command. Here, note you are using a pipe symbol, which is the redirection symbol in Linux. Use exactly the same command, grep command, as previously used. Now we can see we use the cat command, but we added the grep command using the redirection symbol. This is how you can use grep command with any other commands. So this command is exactly same as using the grep command without redirection. We can see the same result. Let's see another example of using the egrep with other commands using the redirection. So here we can see that we can use both grep and egrep with the other commands using the redirection symbol. Thanks for watching this video.